Hello, welcome to my side of the mountain. I'm Kris of Krissys Over the Mountain Crochet, and I will be showing you how to do a high back post half double crochet. The reason it is called a high back post is because I will not be going around this main post. Normally you go around the post of a stitch like that and make your stitch. But instead, I want a cleaner finish. I want you to insert the hook high and go around the high post, go through to the back, around that high post, yarn over, pull the loop through to the back. Today, we're working with 2 strands of yarn. You have 3 double loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And as you can see, that makes a cleaner catch, and it makes a very nice little ridge. And it makes those stitches make that sharp turn to go up the side of a basket or wherever it is, whatever project you are working on. So let me do this again. We're going high under the top stitches, under the top V's. We're only going under the V's, not down here. And like I said, there's a high post right here. So yarn over, insert hook from the back, go through to the back, yarn over, pull through to the back. You have 3 double loops on the hook, pull through all 3. I'm demonstrating with 2 strands of yarn because that is what happens in a lot of my patterns that have the high back post, because I make a lot of baskets and hats that use this technique. So again, yarn over, insert high, around the high post to the back, yarn over, pull through to the back. You have 3 on the loop hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. This is how that will look on the bottom of the basket, or the top of a hat going down, at the bottom of a cube cover to make those stitches go up, the creases nestle in. It's just a really good stitch. Hey, it was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I hope you'll like and subscribe. It was good to have you.